How to change country in Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your country in Google Play Store. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Play Store on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on payments and subscriptions. And now here in this section, just tap on payment methods. Now here, just tap on more payment settings. And here, once you see the interface like this, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now from the menu, you simply have to tap on settings, and after that, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can see country/region. So simply tap on the pencil icon next to it, and now here you can see the option labeled as create new profile. So you simply have to tap on there. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to select your new country or region. And after that, you simply have to tap on continue. And after that, you'll be asked to add an address for that country. So there you just have to enter your valid local address, account type, and here once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on submit. And that's it. With that, your Google Play Store country will be changed. And remember that it may take a few hours for all changes to reflect. And also remember that you can only switch once in every 12 months. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.